What's going on? Welcome, Rabid here, and I apologize for the red in advance, but I dumped all of my Kaspa, so yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. I obviously didn't do this. I didn't have very much Kaspa, only like, I don't know, 57,000 or something. I don't have millions like some of the big whale wallet holders out there, so, you know, my little bag cannot do anything like this. And I don't even know how to read charts. Like, I'm a mining channel, not a trading channel. I don't even know what this is, like melted ice cream or chocolate falling, and I think green is good and red is bad. Is that how this works out? I don't even know. Tell me how this works. How do you read these things? I'm just kidding. You know, we do know red is bad. It's going down. Green is up. But regardless, I did dump my Kaspa. I'm kind of doing a gamble here. I'm not pulling out of Kaspa. I feel Kaspa is going to do pretty darn good. It's never seen a bull run. It's going to go up pretty high, I feel, in the next run. But again, I don't know. I can't tell the future. Maybe some of you guys can. If you got a Back to the Future car, they are making a part 4, so that's pretty sweet. But if you got one of those, let me know what's happening in the future. But here we have, I can show you kind of where I did sell. So it was around the 3, there we go, right there, this point right here. So 3 cents here, 3.72 is exactly where I sold. I wrote it down. I took my node wallet with my E300 that was mining earlier. I got my Tangent wallet with the KS0 mining. I dumped it all right here at 100% gamble to hope to get more coins. I'm not going to be using this to buy anything or cover power, nothing. I sold it all, and I'm hoping to get some type of dump type of thing happening so I get more coins. So if we actually look at the 1 year, I think it is, this is where Kaspa last pumped right here, and we can see it actually dropped down to about, you know, just over 1 cent. Now I do have a buy order in for around right here, 1.7, I believe it is. Now if it hits down to maybe even over here, I'll probably just buy back in. I'll cancel that and buy back in right here because that's still gaining. That'll probably still gain me about, I don't know, 35, 40,000 coins, which would be pretty good. But down here, I think it would take me from around 57,000 to around 114,000 Kaspa, which would be pretty darn sweet. Now, as for the chart, I have no idea what Kaspa is going to do. It's either going to go up or down. That is my expert opinion. The price is either going to go up or the price is going to go down. Not financial advice. But if we actually look into our mining rewards right now with the KS0, the probability on everything is still pretty good on these ASICs, but it is dumping hard. So when we first got this thing, here's 24 hours. We're at 657 per 24 hours. It was around 1,580 coins per 24 hours. Then it went down to about 1,450, and then it was at 1,200 for a while. And we're like, what, 2, 3? We're about a month after when we first got this thing now. So a little over 30 days. But the past couple days, it's really been skyrocketing. We got Ice River now testing the KS3s as well as the KS3Ls on some of these pools here. So that hash rate is, you know, pumping pretty high, pretty fast. And our rewards are over 60% less than what they were, you know, last month on these KS0. So it's pretty crazy. So obviously, if I could end up making 40 to 50,000 coins on some type of quick trade, it might take a couple weeks to hit a bottom type of level. You know, I think that's pretty darn good than straight mining it. But again, we'll have to see what happens. This could keep pumping to the moon, and I just lost everything as we know it. You know, that could definitely happen, but I don't think it will because again, we're in a bear market. We're not in a bull market. We're about a year and a half away from a bull market, and looking at the price of Kaspa here, it has been seeing a lot of growth and growth pretty darn fast here. So what is this going to hit in a bull run? You know, some people are guessing 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, some say 8 cents, some 10. We have no idea, but looking at some of the numbers, could Kaspa actually see $1? So I was kind of looking at the Kaspa emission schedule, and usually based on all the cycles, Bitcoin peaks every 4 years around October, November, December. Now, usually the last 2 bull runs was actually November, and that's putting us around, you know, to 2025 here in November. Kaspa, if it hit $1, it'd have about a $26 billion market cap. Well, 26.6. This is all the total coins that will be mined by 2025. We can see the block reward by then is down to only 38 Kaspa per second. So the block reward is very small. It is dropping quite pretty fast here every month with those small reductions, which does work out to a full halving event every 1 year. But based on all the total supply in November of 2025, based on these emissions, $26.6 billion if Kaspa hits $1. Going into mining pool stats, looking at Bitcoin right now, 565 billion. Obviously, we're not comparing to Bitcoin, but we can see the levels of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin hit over $1 trillion in 2021 in its last bull market. Dogecoin right now, though, look at this. It's sitting at 10 billion, 10.6 billion right now in the bear market. So kind of what I'm saying here is, could Kaspa, and it's been gaining momentum pretty fast, hit pretty much double of what Doge is right now in a bull market? Or I mean a bear market, not a bull market. In the bull market, could Kaspa hit double of what Doge is doing in this bear market? You know, that might be possible. Again, I have no idea. I'm not a trader. I'm a miner. But looking at some of the numbers, that seems like it could be liable, especially for a bull market and a coin that pumps. We see a few other coins in the past. You know, they went from 2 cents upwards to over $3 in the final year of that bull run. Like in 2021, I believe FLUX went from 2 or 3 cents upwards over $3. You know, right now Kaspa is only hanging out at 3 cents, 3.6. So, you know, what if it does go to at least $1 in 2025? That's pretty insane. So I'm definitely stacking my coins up. If it doesn't hit that, you know, 15 cents, 20 cents, that's still pretty amazing gains from where we are right now. But I'm just playing the trading game, and hopefully it works in my favor. All right, guys, so I'm curious what you guys think about the whole Kaspa situation taking the world by storm. I'm just kidding. You know, this video really was a video about nothing, so hopefully, you know, maybe got a chuckle or something out of it. Pretty much, I dumped my coins. That's about it. Price could go up, price could go down. I guess we'll see what happens. Anyway, let me know your thoughts and opinion on the whole Kaspa situation. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.